Mutongoria wa kiama kia Azimio Raila Odinga arikite hitenero-ini gia kuhuranira giti kia muikariri giti wa kiama kia urumwe wa mabururi ma Afrika nikio AU thutha wake gukorwo agithuthuria mawoni ngurani kuma kuri arata ake.
I have been consulting widely among friends. As the general said, he is one of my closest friends on the continent, and I intimated to him that if there should be interest, I will myself be keen to serve the continent of Africa. I am inclined to accept the challenge. Should the leadership of Africa want my services, I am ready and offer myself to be of service to this continent.
Kwena Odinga ni mutongoria wikio na muruti wira guku bururi-ini hamwe na gitaro kia Afrika. Riu ni augite ati ari na mwihoko wa gucenjia mathina maria magomeire gitaro giki amu ni ehotorete kunyitanira na anyiti itemi gitaro-ini giki kia Afrika niguo kurutira muingi wothe wira.
African economies can complement each other. I have served the AU in the capacity as infrastructure high representative. That position gave me a good advantage to be able to learn about each and every African continent, country, what they have, the comparative advantages, and so on. And I believe that working together with all these countries, we can be able to emancipate Africa.
Odinga ni atariire ugemunariri wa gitaro kia Afrika na kuga ati
the first human who walked on this earth was an African, and Africa is also the cradle of human civilization.
Mwena-ini wake uria wari mutongoria wa bururi wa Nigeria Obasanjo ni augite ati ihinda ni rikinyu kuona urumwe wa mabururi mothe ma Afrika urabatara mutongoria uri na ugi niguo gutungatira gitaro giki.
If it will serve the purpose that is meant to serve, it requires the right person at the right time. And this is the time that we in Africa, and working with the rest of the world, we need to get AU to be what it should be.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Mai.